Today we're making a vegetable pastry. We have yellow squash and zucchini and some onions sliced, and we're adding some olive oil. We're going to roast these in the oven at 400 degrees. Adding a little sprinkling of salt. And into the oven they go. Here they are out of the oven, lightly roasted. And we also have some sauteed turnip tops, red pepper, and fennel. I have a store-bought puff pastry, which I've rolled out to be a little bit thinner, which is why it looks a little wonky shaped. It's also going in the oven at 400 degrees. And now we're putting in a few holes here to let the air out. I'm going to flip this over, and we're going to spread part skim ricotta cheese all over the flat bottom. And then we're just going to pile up the veg.